Hi, first graders. Mrs. Hellbaum here. Yesterday, Mrs. Walker talked to you about the main topic, and you guys wrote the topic sentence, the first sentence for your writing this week. So today we're going to continue and we're going to brainstorm our ideas for the supporting details for our informational writing. So for informational writing, I know two things. I know that I want to write about a real thing or place, and I want to write to give information to the reader, okay? So what we're going to do today, we're going to use an organizer to get our thoughts together before we turn them into sentences. So you guys are going to make an are, can, have organizer with your topic. So my main topic is giraffes, and we said that giraffes are interesting animals. Okay, so that is my main topic. So now I want to write some supporting details to tell why giraffes are interesting animals. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my are, can, have to write just a couple of facts. I know a lot about giraffes, but I don't need to write everything down. So I'm just going to write a couple things for each point, okay? So first of all, I know that giraffes are the tallest land animals. They can be 19 feet tall. So I'm going to write are the tallest land animal, and I said that they can be 19 feet tall. I also know that giraffes can sleep standing up. So I'm going to write sleep standing up. And then the last thing I want to tell about giraffes is that they have very long necks. Okay, so giraffes have long necks, and they use their necks to protect themselves. So I'm going to add that too, because that does go with their necks. So I'm going to say protection. Now, notice here, I did not write complete sentences for each point. I just wrote facts that I want to turn into complete sentences later. This is just helping me organize the information that I want to share forward with my readers, okay? So what I would like you to do, you're going to go back to the slide and there's a blank are, can, have form on there. So you're going to copy that onto a piece of paper. Now, I don't want you to use the piece of paper that you wrote your topic sentence on. I want you to get a fresh paper so that you can make your organizer for your facts, okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to put your main topic at the top, and then you're going to write some things that they are, some things they can do, and some things that they have. Now, I want you to save this paper for tomorrow because you're going to turn them into complete sentences with Miss Heinert. Okay, so you've got to hold on to that, and you'll add these facts into complete sentences onto your topic sentence. All right, you guys, we can't wait to see what you come up with. When you're done with your organizer, you can send a picture of this to your teacher. We would love to see what you're working on. Have fun with your informational writing. Have a great day.